Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another card making video. Today I have a really cute Valentine's Day card for you. This is my Valentine's Day box card. How fun is that with that cute little heart there in the middle? You've got that fun Valentine's Day sentiment in the front. It folds nicely for mailing. There's a spot on the back for your message. And of course I included an envelope as well. This card comes together really quickly and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the SVG Cut File. Okay, here we are at my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. If you don't have an account on my website already, click the sign up button and you'll be brought to a page with all of our different membership tiers. We have free, basic, and premium memberships. Go ahead and browse the different options for each membership tier and select which one is right for you. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and click sign in. I'll enter my credentials. And now I've logged into my account. To access the file libraries, go to the Files tab on the main navigation bar. Now this is a free file, so that means that all membership tiers will have access to this project. Those with free memberships can go to the free files page and find the cut file there. Those with basic and premium memberships can go to the file library and find the cut file there. For this project, you'll want to look for number 525. That is the Valentine's Day box card. Go ahead and click the image, download the file to your computer, make sure to unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Okay, now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open, and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can go ahead and ungroup the design. We have some converting that we need to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Highlight the score lines, change those to score, highlight the group, and attach. We need to do the same thing for the outside box piece. Highlight the score lines, change those to score, highlight the group, and attach. And lastly, we need to do the same thing for the inside tab piece. Highlight the score lines, change those to score, highlight the group, and attach. Once those three pieces have been converted, you can go ahead and click Make It. And you can see the different mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that I'm going to do is fold and burnish along the score lines of our outside box piece. Alright, now we can flip the box piece over and mat and layer our messaging panel. And now we can take that and add that to the back of the outside box piece. You're going to want the matte side or the purple side down. There we go. Now we can see the light purple through the front of the card. Let's set that to the side for a moment. Now we can work on the inside tab piece of this card. So I do have two of the same color. That's to add a little bit of stability to the inside tab piece. So I'm going to go ahead and fold and burnish along those two score lines. And now I will just add this second piece on top of that tab piece. Okay. Set that to the side. And now we can go ahead and layer the front cover panel. Now I do have a layering guide located within the download that will help you visualize how to layer all these pieces together, so I will refer you to that. And there is our front cover panel. Now we can go ahead and add glue to the left tab on the inside tab piece. I'm going to attach it on the left side here, right next to that score line. I'm going to line up the edges really good. And now I'm going to add glue to that right tab. And then fold over the other side of the box piece. Go ahead and give that a fold both ways. And now we can add glue to that front tab on the left hand side. Add our front cover panel to that side. Flip that open. Add glue to the right tab here. And go ahead and just fold that onto itself. And there we have our cute and easy Valentine's Day box card. I'm going to set that to the side for a moment. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. We're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Add glue to the outer edge of the inlay panel. Attach the inlay to the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. Go ahead and fold those side flaps in. Add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our card is all set. How fun was this card? There's not too much layering, which means that it will come together really quickly. I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. There's a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife. I'll see you at the next card making video. Bye.